Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off your safety protection search on Google. So what this feature does is, if you have turned it on, then if you search for something, then the content which Google thinks is 18 plus or is violence related or something inappropriate is going to blur it. But if you turn the setting off, then whatever thing you search, it's going to show you. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can turn this setting off, because sometimes it blurs object which you want to see. So by turning this off, it's going to be easy. Alright, follow the step. And before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after opening your Google Chrome browser, at the top right corner you can see the three dots. Make sure you click on the three dots, and over here you can see the settings option. You want to click on it. Now once you click on the setting option, it's going to bring you over here. Over here at the right side you can see the privacy and security option. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to this section. Over here on this section you can see the security option. You want to click on it. Once you do that, all these things will open up, and over here you are going to see three options. The first option, second the standard, the third the no protection. So what you want to do is to completely turn off the safe search feature. Just click on no protection, click on turn off. Once you do that, your safety protection is turned off by Google. It's that simple. So yeah, that's how you guys can turn off your safe search feature on Google. So if you guys found this video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will be seeing you guys on my future video. Until then, have a nice day everybody, and peace out.